welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. We had. Let's see here. Hold on. Yeah. All right. We had markets were flat today. Flat to up right here. So the Dow and Nasdaq were up slightly. S&P and Russell were down slightly. Okay, so not a big change in the equity markets today. All right. I want to take a quick look with the US 30. Still consolidating here. We're still waiting for a breakout for a buy signal. We did send out some alerts on the NAS. All right, so we do have a buy signal on the NAS, guys. Okay, so you guys know we're in the markup phase right here. This is on the daily time frame here. Okay, daily time frame, and then this is the 240-minute time frame. Now we've moved it because we're trending on the daily. We went ahead and moved the time frame to, rather than the 60-minute, we've moved it to the 240-minute time frame. All right, so that we can capture more of the moves here in the NAS. And we've done the same with the Russell. I'm sorry, with US 30 and the S&P. All right. Hey, Justin, welcome. Justin, welcome. Okay. So here was a buy signal, a big pullback here, but it bounced nicely here, holding here. So hopefully, if we can get some buying tomorrow, guys, we can hopefully test resistance here again and then break through that resistance. Okay. No shorts. All right. We do not do any shorts. Right. Only longs. Only longs. So that's the NASDAQ. And we have the S&P right here. All right. Same thing with the S&P. We have a nice V here. Nice. All right. Nice markup phase here. Nice trend here. All right. So again, now you guys can still take, you can take trades on the 30-minute trades. I know some of you trade on the, even the 5-minute. You can still do that. But just know that for our purposes, right, we're going to trade it on the 240. All right. All right. All right. 1 second here. Okay. All right. Let's go right into Forex. A lot of good activity in Forex. So hopefully you guys have taken advantage of the trades in Forex, and we send out a lot of picks. All right, today and yesterday. Okay, so let's go through those trades. Great opportunities in Forex. Hold on. Before we do that, because I'll forget. Let's take a look at Monster Scalper here, okay? And then we'll go through the positions. So if you guys notice here, right, in Monster Scalper, right, for Forex, which is what we'll go over, current positions, notice that it's all blue, all right? So we have a lot of buying. This is unusual, all right, where we have the majority of the groups, like the yen pairs, guys. Look at this, all this buying here in the yen pairs. All right, this is mixed. Here, the dollar pairs, a lot of buying in here. Euro pairs, look at that, and pound pairs. Okay, that's unusual. That's very unusual. Usually, there is selling in here, right? Buying in here, or selling in here, buying in here. So if you guys notice from the picks, our Monster Scalper traders, notice that we're getting a lot of longs. We don't have any shorts. Okay. Right here, we're still about 50-50. All right. So about half of the 50% of Forex is trending, 50% consolidating. Very strange market right now. But guess what? We'll just take the opportunities and trade them um, as as the moves happen. All right. So let's bring this down here so we can see all the pairs here. All right. So all these are trades, guys. Trades that we have sent out. Okay. So let's go through those. All right. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. All right. We can remove this. All right. So buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. All right. But still holding. We had a big white candle, right, followed by some green candles coming in. So buyers are coming in, back in, right? Still need to break to that resistance there. That's Aussie yen. New Zealand yen, we've broken out of that resistance. All right. Now, these aren't great setups, okay, because we have a lot of consolidation, but that doesn't mean they can't move. All right. Higher. Buy signal here, right? Pull back here. So we just needed to continue to move higher. That's New Zealand yen. All right. New Zealand yen. Okay. CAD yen, this is a new one we sent out today. Here is our trend line here. All right, here is our upward trend line right here. And then we've got resistance here. Very choppy. All right, it's very choppy, but we'll see how far these trades will go. All right, a bit of a pullback here, right? Still green candles. So we just need to retest that resistance and keep moving higher. A pound yen. All right, a good trade going here. Buy signal, guys, all the way down here. Okay, and here we are getting close to our first target here. Okay, so buy signal here, close target here. Now, I'll be careful adding. All right. So we have purple support and resistance here. Great trade. Again, buy signal here. We all the way up here. So just be careful with adding. Um, Pound yen, very volatile. Okay. But looks like we could get to resistance here. If we get to resistance, if any of you are trading this pair, you get a white candle anywhere in this area, just go ahead and take profits. Okay. Take profits because sellers are sitting up here. Okay, and pound yen will move fast. So good trade going though. Absolutely great trade there. ZAR yen, all right, buy signal here. Looking to break out. Target is here. All right, first target, second target there. Dollar yen continuing to move higher. All right. We got one of our new traders in this trade here. Richard, I believe, is in this trade. So buy signal here. All right. This is his first trade. Buy signal here. All green candles moving higher. Purple support and resistance. But just let it continue to move higher. Target is all the way up there. All right. HKD, Hong Kong yen, HKD, JPY. All right. Same thing. Buy signal here. All right. So follow those phases. All right. Hold on. All right. So the yen pairs are doing well. We still have a few that really needs to get going, but we have a few that's moving up. Buy signal here, all green candles, right? Purple support and resistance. Just remember, purple support and resistance, guys. We get lower highs, lower lows within the markup phase. Okay, so that is a concern. All right, but not a reason to close the trade. All right, just be aware that price is slowing down within the markdown phase. Okay, so buy signal here, good price action, target is up here. Okay, the dollar pairs, let's take a look at the dollar pairs. Okay, the dollar index, see what it's doing. Okay, so it's we've got red candles here, so it's settled a bit. Okay, but still red candles, so we're in the markdown phase. Okay, so just be aware of that. All right, be aware of that. So USD CNH, right? Buy signal here, right? It's holding above resistance, but it's consolidating here. Okay. USD SGD, all right, same thing here. All right. If you guys want, you could do this. Okay. You could bring this down. and bring this down here, right? So you see where it's consolidating, and hopefully just continue to move higher. And then we'll do this. You don't have to do this, but all right. And then we just need to break to the upside. USD SGD, dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD, same thing here, right? Consolidating here. So if we get, if you get a red candle in these dollar pairs, close the trade because, right, the dollar index is in a markdown phase. Okay, that's dollar CAD. SEK, all right, closed. All right, so go ahead and close USD SEK. Okay, USD SEK, and so that's a concern when we notice that a couple of the pairs are closing, the other dollar pairs might follow. Okay, so so let me show you guys here. So this is where it's consolidating here, just like we showed the other two pairs. So this is where it's consolidating here. Okay, it's consolidating here. Buy signal was here, broke support, sell signal. Bought here, sold here, small profit, but still go ahead and close the trade. All right. If it gives another buy signal, we'll decide then. All right. So USD SEK closed the trade. Now the pound pairs. All right. Pound pairs are doing well. All right. So we've sent out some alerts for our monster scalper traders. Markdown phase, markup phase here. There's your markup phase, and it's right at resistance here. So it's breaking resistance. All right, so here it is, breaking resistance. I know it's hard to see, right? Candles are breaking resistance here. Your resistance line, buy signal right here, right? This candle, buy signal right here, small triangle here. It's moving higher, all right? And target is here. So this would be our first target. GBP PLN. All right. Another one we added, GBP HKD. All right. Now I know this has a lot of consolidation. Okay. But if you guys look here, now we're not getting these in the markdown phase. These are like reaccumulation, okay, trades, right? So buy signal here, sold here, buy signal here, sold here, buy signal here, sold here. So it is moving higher. It is in the markup phase, right? These buy signals are profitable. They're not major profits because a lot of consolidation, but they are moving higher, and the whole group is moving higher. So we can take a chance on these here. Okay. All right. So buy signal here, we're looking to break out, right? And it is breaking out now, if you guys see there, right? It's breaking, that candle is breaking out now. Okay. So buy signal. This is a new one here. All right. So USD HKD. Pound dollar, also a new one here. Very similar trades. So you guys see what's happening. They're setting up to break out. All right, so here is your trend line, upward trend line here. Again, a lot of consolidation, but don't let that scare you. All right, so all right, breaking out right here. Okay, I wouldn't go heavy. All right, so pound yen, pound dollar, pound Swiss. All right, we've been in this one for a while there here. All right. Descent markdown phase, okay? A buy signal here, all green candles, and it's moving up slowly here. All right, slowly moving up, so nothing to do there. All right, target is right here. Pound SGD, all right, this one is breaking out. Notice, guys, right? A lot of consolidation in here. Look at that. All right, so don't be afraid as long as that group is moving, right, is breaking out. right? That's fine, right? You just have to know what you're doing. So it's breaking out here, breaking out of that consolidation buy signal here, and here is that price action all the way up here. Okay, all right. Pound SGD. Um, we did pound CAD. Okay, no, we did not. Pound CAD looks good. All right, so pound CAD, let's do. Yeah, we'll leave this here. All right, so buy signal is here. Nice price action, right? Right at its resistance. First target right here. There's a good chance, guys, it should get past this resistance and move higher based on how the price action is doing here. So great trade. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Next target here. All right, pound CAD. Pound New Zealand. All right, same thing. All right, let's move this here. All right, so here is your V. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Here is your resistance here, okay? So that's your resistance. It looks like it should get past that resistance. And here is, we'll have this as the second target there, okay? Good price action. All right. Pound Aussie, right? Also looks good. Okay. So buy signal all the way down here, right? Mark down, accumulation, mark up, all green candles, right? Purple support and resistance. But guys, if you look here, we've gotten past that purple support and resistance here. Big candle here, all green candles. Looks good to get to resistance here. Okay. Now we don't have a second target here. So if it breaks out, just let it run. If you get a white candle in this area here, you might just want to close the trade. White candle, red, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. Euro pairs, we added some euro pairs. Okay, so let's. No, this is a little different trade. All right, let's see here. But the pound pairs, euro pairs, right here. And this one here, price is being squeezed. All right. So if you guys notice here, this is a tricky trade here. All right. So what's happening here is price, that trend line is like your moving average here. And we have like a triangle here. All right. So see here. All right. So buy signal, buy signal. We can actually do it here too. Now, I don't expect you guys to do this. Okay. All right. So price made a high, came back down. All right. Big candle here, buy signal, buy over system, sold here. All right. Broke resistance, broke support here. Green candle, buy signal, red. This is pretty cool trading here. Red candle, broke support, sell signal. So bought here, sold here. All right. Price came down to the right trend line here. All right. Same thing. Big candle came in, buy signal here. All right. Broke resistance. All right. Resistance is right here. All right. All right. Broke support. Red candles came in, sell signal. So bought here, sold here. So guys, this trade right here, this trade, great trade here. All right. Another great profitable trade. So hopefully we get another great profitable trade like this. Okay. So buy signal here, green candle coming in. All right. So this is why we took this trade. Okay. So we just need buyers to come in, get a big candle. Hopefully we get follow through like this. Okay. So EUR USD. Okay. Difficult trading here, but you guys see the pattern. Okay. All right. EUR USD. EUR HKD. EUR HKD. Hold on. Similar type of trading. All right. Similar type of trading here. Okay. Almost identical. Now stick with your V's. Okay. Don't try to do this. Very tricky here. Okay. But this is how we learn. All right. All right. So sellers are done. All right. Markdown, accumulation, markup, buy signal here. Two great trades here. Buy signal here. Let's hope we get the same thing there. EUR HKD, EUR SEK. All right. Buy signal here. Here's your V looking to break out. So very new trading here with the euro pairs. Okay. Let's see here. What are we doing here? So here we've got really good support, guys. Really good support here. All right. Good resistance. All right, resistance right here. Buy signal here, we're breaking out. Keep in mind, this is where buyers failed before. All right, so this trade failed, this trade failed, this trade failed. Hopefully, this one is the one that works out. Okay. All right, now the reason why we have more um, I would say faith in this one is because the euro pairs are moving, right? Pound pairs are moving, right? Most of these are blue. Okay, so there's a good chance that this could break out. So we'll see. All right. If you trade it, trade lightly. EURTRY, all right, that's moving higher. All right, buy signal here, and that keeps moving higher. Great trades. All right, first trade, all right, second trade. This is the third trade. Simple trade here. All right, we're just going to bring in a trend line. Trend line right up here. And hold on. All right, here and breaking resistance there. EURTRY. All right, and the last one here, Euro Aussie. All right, so Euro Aussie. All right, here's your markdown phase, long markdown phase. Buy signal here, getting ready to break that resistance. This should not be a concern here. All right, so as long as the euro pairs continue to move higher, it should break through second target here. Okay, no shorts, guys. If you notice, all right, so we're in a lot of pairs. Look at this. That's a lot of um, positions there. Now, the only concern are these dollar pairs. These dollar pairs. That's the only concern because we are long and they could, the dollar index is going short. So that's the, so if anyone is in the dollar pairs, just be careful. Okay. All right. Forex dominator. Let's take a look at those. Now we're not in any shorts in any in Forex dominator and monster scalper. No shorts. Okay. All right, Aussie CAD. All right, buy signal here, still holding. All right, so buy signal here, still consolidating. White candles here. All right, just need buyers to come back in like they did here. All right, New Zealand CAD. Now we have a red here. New Zealand CAD. It's holding. All right, holding right at that resistance. White candles there. So all right. If you get a red candle, close the trade. But looks like they're building to push the price higher again. EUR, EURTRY, buy signal here. Really great previous trade. And here we broke through, guys. Finally broke through that resistance here. Big candle came in here today. All right. So breaking out EURTRY, continuing to move higher there. Okay. Dollar USD TRY. This is a new one here. Buy signal was here. Look at that, guys. A big candle here. So try to stay with these trades. Buy signal here. Nice markup phase, right? Continuing to move higher. Every one of these candles are making higher lows. Okay. Higher lows. EURCZK. Okay, guys, look at, we've been talking about EURCZK. All right, we had some white candles. Look what happened today. All right, look at that. Big candle came in today. All right, so that's why it's it's worth to just be patient with these trades, okay? All right, sometimes I know it's slow, nothing is happening, all right? But good example here, big candle here. Now we just need to break through. All right, remember we talked about this was holding that trend line, right? Holding that trend line. All right. All right. Let's go through stock boss. And so all we're doing is we're looking to see if anything closed in stock boss. Okay. If we get a chance, we'll take a look at Bull Master if we have a chance. If we are loaded up with in Monster Scalper, if we get some new positions, I doubt we'll add anything. But if anything comes through, we'll send them out. So we won't look for any opportunities this evening in Monster Scalper. You guys should have received the emails, the alerts, okay? Text alerts. All right, let's go through these. All right, so stock boss, guys, we're looking for red candle. If we have a red candle, right, just go ahead and close the trade. All right, white candles for now, we'll leave those. Sell signal by the system. Go ahead and close the trade, okay, please. All right. White candles, pay attention to them. If you want to close on a white candle, you certainly can also. All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's holding. That's holding. All right, AMSC, close that trade, please. All right, so AMSC buy signal was at $8.01, 801. Close today at 10.06. So close the trade, please. Buy signal here, broke support, sell signal, close the trade. AMSC. All right, that's holding, holding, holding. Looks good. Looks good. Holding. White candle. Keep an eye on that one. Holding, holding. All right. If you guys want, if you have trades like this, like PRCH, right? Hit resistance, pulling back here. You can take profits, right? Right? Doesn't hurt to just take profits. I mean, buy signal was at $1, trading here at 257. Doesn't hurt to take profits. This is where sellers came in the last time, right? You don't have to wait for that. So just keep an eye on that, okay? But you could certainly take profits. All right, that's holding. All right, that broke through. Good. Holding nicely. All right, good. White. All right. All right. Remember, white candles, keep an eye on those. Okay. All right. DOUG has a red candle here. All right. Red candle here. Buy signal was at 225. Red candle came in at 243. Okay. All right. So if you wanted to, you could have gotten out here on that white candle. All right. Also, just remember, anytime it gets to that target, this one got to that target. Now we'll leave this in here for educational purposes, but if you're trading it and it's not breaking out and it's at that support here, doesn't hurt to take profits, okay? But don't get back in after you close it. Just find another one. All right. EGHT also closed. Okay. And this is an absolute perfect execution here. Okay, so buy signal was here on the break of resistance after the markdown phase. All right, broke support right here, sell signal by the system. So buy signal 284, closed today at what's that? Right at 340, 337. Okay, so close the trade. All right. Also, this one here, we'll leave it for now, but if anyone is in it, right? See right here, right? Here's your resistance. It's made it all the way up here. All right. The buy signal was at $1.40. Guys, it's at 278. Might as well take profits. Okay. We'll leave it for now, but if you're in it, just take profits. All right. Good example here. Okay. All right. And the market is slowing down a bit. Notice we're not getting big up days. The market isn't up, 3, 4, 500 points, right? We're lucky if it's up 150 points. So we know the market is slowing. All right. This one here too, right? HOUS, all right. Hit resistance, right? Right here. Look, right here, right here, right here. White candle. We'll go ahead and close this one. All right. Buy signal 592. All right. Close today at what? 706. So close this trade here. All right. Good chance. Follow your. All right. Watch those resistance levels. Don't be greedy. HOUS close the trade. All right, that's holding. All right, this one also, guys. All right, we'll leave this one. I mean, we have green candles here, but notice here. Notice follow this price action. Okay, notice buy, right? Sellers are sitting here. This is where sellers came in before. Sell signal here, sell signal here, red candles. Here we are. So that one is getting close. Okay. All right. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty, welcome. Okay. All right. So we'll leave it for now. ILPT. Okay. All right. This one closed. I'm sorry, JMIA. JMIA. This one didn't quite make it all the way up. Buy signal was at 292, closed at 3. Red candle. Sell signal 324, close the trade. All right, that's holding. So like this one here, let's see here. All right, so this one, if you were trading this, just pay close attention. Just know sellers are sitting here and just walk that price action. Right, walk it. Right, walk it up once or twice a day. Keep an eye on it. Right, see how it closes, and if it's starting to struggle up in this area here, sellers are looking to bring it back down. So we'll wait on this one here. All right. Take the emotions out of it. Open, OPEN. All right. So red candle today. All right. So red candle right here. I know it's a small red candle, but it's a red candle. All right. So hit resistance. Right. We'll count this. Right. Resistance right here. Now it's pulling back. Okay. So you could have taken profits in this area here. Red candle. That red candle is coming in just like it did here. Close the trade. So buy signal at 283. Red candle came in, close 356. Okay. So we'll close this one. Open, OPEN. All right. All right. This one here, we had resistance here, but look how this candle here, see how it's pulling back. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Okay. All right. Again, if the market is strong, we can certainly let them go. But if the market is getting weak, they'll come right back down. Okay. All right. CERS. All right, red candle. Okay, so buy signal was at 179, close today at 182, close the trade, red candle. All right. We don't want this to happen, guys. So close that. CERS. All right. This one is near its target right here. You might have another move higher, but keep an eye on it. Right. If you're in profit, just know, guys, I know I keep saying this, but sellers are here, right? They're here. Here we are right here. So that buy signal was at 656, close today at 856. Nothing wrong with taking profits there, okay? All right. We'll just go with stock boss this evening. Um, and we'll look at monster scout bull master um, next week. All right, markdown phase, markup phase. All right, buy signal. Here's your first target there. CYH. All right, same thing. Nothing here. That looks good. A little different trade here. This is a channel breakout. Okay. All right, this looks good. All right, KPTI. All right, so KPTI, guys. So buy signal, too bad on this one. All right, I mean, really good markdown phase. That's too bad. All right, buy signal was at 98, close today at 70, 73. That's too bad. Broke support here, red candle, so close the trade. All right, if it comes up again, if it breaks resistance here, gives another buy signal, we'll see it in hit seeker. Okay, so for now, close it. KPTI. Too bad though. Good setup, cheap too, very inexpensive. Let's hold in. All right, this one looks good. Let's draw it out. All right, we'll call resistance here. Good markdown phase. I know sometimes, I go through these and um, even for me, it gets tedious. And I've been doing this a long time, so I can imagine for you guys, right? But it's what we have to do. All right, markdown phase. All right, markup, buy signal. Okay. Anthony, yeah, absolutely. Just give me the symbol, Anthony, and we'll take a look. So NGM, that looks good there. Oh, you have it there. So R was that RBOT. Okay, we'll take a look at it in a minute there. Okay, we're almost done with stock boss. These are holding. These are holding. Holding fine. Holding. All right. PM uh, VP. All right. Red candle there. So close the trade. All right. So buy signal 264. Red candle here. Closed today at 237. Close the trade. And guys, I know it's not easy taking a loss. All right. Even if it's a small loss like this, I know it's not easy. All right. But that's what we have to do because we don't. This is what could happen. This is what could happen. So, right. This is trading. This is trading. So, right. Small losses, big wins, right? So when we have a loss, we want to process so that we are able to get a small loss, and then we want to stay in our winning trades and get the larger wins, and those bigger wins, larger wins will, right, take care of the small losses. That's the goal. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, these are fine. All right. BAK. BAK. All right, buy signal was at 864, close today at 767. So that's a point down. All right, so close the trade. And the way they're selling this, guys, see where it gap down here. Okay, we have support down here. There's a good chance it could get to that support. We do have decent support here and here. Okay, but still close the trade. BAK, close the trade. All right. And Anthony will take a look at yours here. Okay. All right. So stock boss, let's see. And then we'll be done. Tomorrow we'll have our roundtable class for our traders. Um, Saturday we'll have our beginners webinar, and then Sunday we'll get back to business. Sunday evening. All right. Okay, stock boss. Our monster scalper traders, you guys should be in trades. Okay, you should be in these trades. You can't trade all of them, but you should be. Find your opportunities. Okay. So Anthony, RBOT, RBOT. All right. Um, Anthony, what do you want to do with this? It looks good to me. Let's see here. I would say if you're in it, just hold it. It's got a good markdown phase. All right, good support down here too. Okay. So your markdown phase is here. Let's do this. And then your markup phase. Just be careful, long. Okay, 100 shares. Okay. It's inexpensive too. So the buy signal was at 49 cents. It's at 59. Okay. That looks like it's biotech probably or medical devices. All right. Good job. Good job finding this one here. It gapped up. That's good, right? It hasn't filled the gap. So that's good. These are decent candles. All right. So, if you got it anywhere in here, if it gets up to this area right here, that's 100% profit. Okay. And I know we don't focus on P&L, but that's and that's where, and then it gap down here. So let's say it might fill that gap. So this is an area here. If it can get up to this area, let's say $100, I mean a dollar rather. So 108, right around here, that'll be really, really good. Give it time though. All right. As long as you have green candles, even with a white candle, you might want to hold. Definitely red candle sell signal. But and look at the risk reward on this. So it's at 40. Good job, Anthony. Good job. So I'm assuming you got it right around 40 something. What was your price, Anthony? The high there was at almost at $10. Okay, so you got a good risk reward. All right, good risk reward there. Okay, so good job. A few areas, 50 cents. All right, nice. So this would be your first target here, 108. Next target would be here at 244. And if you got in at 50, and then this is an area here. If let's say it gets around, that would be an area here you might want to add, right? So if all the candles are holding firm, you might want to add on a break here, and then same thing, right? In this area in here, probably a break here. Next area, so you've got a couple more areas. So here, Anywhere you have buy signals that have failed, right, is basically going to be your resistance. Resistance here, support becomes resistance, and then here also. All right. I mean, I know that's a long way up, right? I mean, if it gets up there, that's 1,000. That's about 1,000% profit if it gets all the way up here. So, but we won't focus on that. We won't focus on that. Just let it step by step. All right. But good job. Good job there. Good job. Good job. Good job. Keep finding right opportunities like those. Um, Now I know you can't always find them as inexpensive like that, but hey, they're there, especially in Stock Boss. Um, so good job, Anthony, good job. Let's see here. Uh, Listen, VIX is at 1244. All right, we can't complain about that, right? Right, that's low volatility, great environment for stocks. Okay, great environment for stocks. All right, anything under 20 is good. It's at 12, right? 1244. Okay, all the sectors are up, right? Except for utilities, we won't count that. Look at the Dow. I know we went up big, but look at the Dow here, right? Look at the buy signal here in the Dow. Look at that, guys. It's holding right here. All right. I mean, it's right at that resistance. I mean, it closed right at that resistance today. So, it could break out, right? So we're not in a bearish, we're not bearish. We're not in the markdown phase, clearly in the markup phase, testing your resistance levels. Okay. The NASDAQ is actually breaking out, right? Look at that NASDAQ breaking out there again. All right. So we are above all-time highs. So there's no resistance above on the Dow, right? We're at all-time highs. So no resistance above. So good environment. And then here is the S&P, right? Right at that resistance. Buy signal here. That buy signal was all the way back in November the 14th, right? Right? No, not November. Is that November? Yeah, November the 14th. Okay, so it's been moving for a while now. We're in January now. All right, guys. So good environment. All right, good job. Good job, Anthony. That's a good job finding that one. Okay. Just let it run. All right, guys. I will see everyone on Sunday. Everyone on Sunday for our evening classes. Our traders tomorrow. All right. For roundtable, mastermind. Peter has been coming on. All right. So Peter has been coming on. I don't know if he'll come on tomorrow, but every time he comes on, gives some really good information. Okay. All right, guys. And Anthony, thanks for helping out Michael with that success story. Okay. So good job. We'll send that out. We'll send that out shortly. Okay, guys. Take care. All right. Have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.